Hi, this is Eileen Fernandez Parker, and this is a Google Sheets video for Novice users. And here I'm going to be talking about the power within the tabs. So in the previous video, I talked about the lay of the land and that these down here are called tabs. They name each worksheet. So the information here in the center is the actual worksheet. And sheet 1 and sheet 2 are not very helpful. So you can double click on the name of the tab and you can actually name it. So I might call this basic information, and I might call this detailed information. And you can see that basic information and detailed information are not formatted the same. In fact, there's no formatting on detailed information. And maybe I want my detailed information to be formatted this same way. So if I want an additional sheet that is formatted this same way, all I have to do is click on this down arrow and I can choose duplicate, which I showed in the last video. So now that this is duplicated, it says copy of basic info. So this first one might be basic info 1. This second one might be basic info 2. So I'm going to erase this extra information. I'm going to add a 2. Now, this detailed information, maybe I decide I don't want it. So down in this arrow on the tab again where the power is, I'm going to choose delete. And it's going to warn me, and yes, I want to get rid of it. So let's go in and look at what else is here. I can move this to the left, but I could also just click on it and drag it. So you know you've got both options. I can hide the entire sheet. So let's say there is information on this sheet that I don't want other people to see. If I hide the sheet, then other people are not going to even know that it's there. Okay, over here, use the View menu to unhide sheets. So I would have to go back up here and choose View, and then I would have to choose Hidden Sheets and get it to show it again. Okay, I can copy to, which means if I have another spreadsheet that I want this same formatted sheet to go into, I can hit copy to, and I can go through the steps to add it to an existing spreadsheet. I can change the name here, or I can just double click. I can also color code my sheets. So maybe I need, maybe these are by grade level, or maybe it's by department. I can choose change color, and I can make it easy for people to know which sheet is theirs based on color. Okay, I can also protect a sheet from here, which means that people will not be able to change the information in it. So those are advanced features, but I just want you to know that they're there because, of course, you can always Google it or YouTube it to find the details if we don't cover them here.